I've gotten myself into another pickle. This is the termination kit for the hybrid hot water heat pump system that I have. I have the flange that goes on the side, like if this is the water heater, the vent's in the side and it's a rounded flange. It goes on the side. That connects to it, and then this is an 8-inch that reduces down to 6. And I'll have my duct, and then this will terminate at my house. What I thought I was getting here was a barometric damper, you know, to keep the air out of the house, since I'm building a particularly well sealed house, paying high attention to detail around that respect. And I open the box. Look at that. No damper. That'll keep bees out, but small bugs will crawl right through that. So get this, on the exhaust, they even call it a fresh air intake. I don't know. It should be an exhaust with a damper. Is it just me? I've got no damper. I think I'm going to put an inline damper. I'm also trying to make my own out of a piece of sheet metal that I have from my house. And I'm just going to fold some edges to give it a little rigidity. I'm going to go ahead and fold the top over and maybe get a piece of coat hanger as a hinge and put it in there and fold it around that. And we'll see how well she works. I haven't cut myself yet. That'd be a good size right there. I cut a piece of a coat hanger, and I'm going to bend it over, maybe rivet the sheet metal onto itself to make a hinge. I don't want it to hang away. Like, amazing, still no cuts. And I like that. It's gonna fit in real nice. Took this and stuck a piece of wood in here, and I punched it. And it looks like my hinge is going to fit. And I found a bearing. Here it is. I think that'll help if I wedge it up in here. And here is my damper. I think it'll help a little bit, especially when the air is trying to blow in. Should blow itself shut, right? I guess we'll see. I should have hemmed this, and just to make it look a little better, I might still do that. I really kind of don't care what it looks like. What do you guys think? There's the straw in there. That can't come up and off. There's no way. I just need to bend these and trim it up, give it a nice paint. There it is. I'm also going to have an inline damper as well.